What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a amazing game in Scratch. Today we're going to add more levels to the game. Okay, to add more levels we need another costume. As you can see, I changed the maze a little bit. I made it a little bit harder. And now we have to do in the maze, when I start game, switch costume to level 1. Let's make when the player touches the object, then he goes to the next level. You can paint your own sprite, you can choose a sprite, you can upload a sprite. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to choose a sprite. I'll choose the apple. An apple. Okay, so you have to do when green flag clicked, hide, or it will show in the starter screen. When I see start game, show, and drag the apple where you want it to spawn. I want to spawn here, and let's change its name to collectibles. I hope I spelled that right. Yeah, because we're gonna add the collectibles in this sprite too. Okay, switch costume to apple, and go to and this one, and the X and Y, and that's me. Let's test that. One moment, guys. That's better. Okay, so let's try that. As you can see, we have to start a very smooth start button. When we click it, we start. Okay, we can go here, and the apple is there. That's exactly what we wanted. But yeah, we don't want. Yeah, I'm gonna make that it goes to the back layer. Let's put go to the back layer block. That will do it. Yeah, now it's in the back layer. Okay, now we want when the player touches the apple that the maze in the maze it's to the next costume. Okay, so let's make let's put a forever loop, and then if then touching player broadcast next level, and then we have to go to an yeah, now yeah, what wait now see, yeah, go to the maze sprite and go, put it when I receive next level block, and then next costume under it. Okay, let's try that. When we touch the apple, this happens, but when we go out of the apple, this level comes. Yeah, new level comes, and can change this. So it's a little smaller. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, it's good. Okay. But I'm testing if I go to wait. I'm gonna test it here. Can go to here. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay. Now we're gonna fix that problem. Where do you want that the apple goes in the next level? I want it to go here. So let's put a go let's go to motion, dark blue category, and put this block in here. Let's try that. Okay. Let's take the apple and boom, we're in the next level. Now let's make a variable that's keep tracking of which level we are in. And this level variable is gonna help us create even more than 2 levels. Okay, now we can only create 2 levels, but we're gonna fix that problem. Okay. So, when green flag clicked, I'm gonna go to the backdrop, and when green flag clicked, type variable level, and when I actually start game, show variable level, and here change level by 1, and at the very top set level to 0, and here if then equals 2, level equals 1, then, and put an if and else. And now let's create our third costume. Okay, let's call this level 3. Okay, I'm going to draw another maze. Give me 1 second to draw. Okay guys, this is my maze. I'm going to change this in the future, but now it's this. Okay, so and the apple goes here in the third maze. So take this block, but if you want to add 4 blocks, put 4 mazes, let's put another, and if level equals 2. Okay, try that. Take the apple, and boom, now we are in the second maze. Okay, let's try to go there. Boom, you're in the third maze. But I want that the player spawns every time when it's changed a level, goes to the same, goes to a other place. Okay, make 2 new variables. One called spawn X for all sprites, and another one called spawn Y, also for all sprites. And set spawn X to let's say 0, and spawn Y to also change these to spawn X and spawn Y. And when I receive next level, go to spawn X, spawn Y. You can change the spawn X and spawn Y variables, but I'm gonna make it like this for now because I like this. Okay. You can hide the variables, but the level variable can stay here. Okay? Yeah. Every time the player spawns in the center of the screen. Oh, but then level 3 spawns here. We can easily fix that by putting an if level equals 3, set, let's go put this here, set spawn next to, change this to an if then else, the else, but set spawn next to 0, and the if set spawn next to, let's say, negative 37. Negative 37. Let's try that. Oh no, level equals 2. Because it starts with level 1. Okay, let's test that. Okay, we're in the second level. Now we're in the third level. Yes! It works. Now when we get this apple, it changes to level 1 again. Yeah. You can add more levels. And that was it for this video. And guys, you can comment down below what you want to see in the next video, because I don't have any idea what I can make next video. Maybe obstacles or moving platforms that the player can't touch. Even gravity flipping rooms. A room that flips the gravity. Okay, I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.